Hey, so this is just a simple tutorial on how to set up MuseSessions. I'm just going to quickly go over some of the permissions you need to set your laptop or computer up with, just so everything can run smoothly. So quickly, we can just start. If you go to your system settings, you just need to scroll down to privacy and security. And there's just a few things you'll need to turn on here. So if you scroll down, accessibility, make sure Muse is switched on. You also want to make sure your camera is turned on. Make sure local network is turned on. Make sure your microphone is turned on. And the last one is screen and system audio recording. So make sure all of those are turned on just so Muse has access to if you want to share your screen or record anything. So that's all the system settings you'll need to change if you're on Mac. Now we're in MuseSessions. You might have to restart Muse just to make sure those settings come into effect. And then when you get into Muse, we'll send you the link. So you'll hit join session. You put the link in here. Make sure you're either using your audio interface microphone or your computer microphone, whichever you prefer, and then join. So then this is where everyone will show up. This will be everyone's faces, or the screen will be here. And then if you go into your settings, just double check that your output is set to your headphones going through your interface, or just your laptop if that's what you're using. Make sure that you're using the right microphone that you want to use, whether that be just your computer microphone or your interface microphone, however you have it set up. And then if it comes to you sharing your screen and you want to play us a song on Spotify, you'll need to come into this and hit share computer audio, and that'll make sure that it's sharing your desktop audio. If MuseSessions doesn't automatically recognize your microphone and your audio interface, you'll have to go here to add music device and just click your interface. Ours is called the Claret, so I'll hit that. And then as you can see, it's getting signal from this microphone, and that should be good to go to record. And then if I head over to Ableton, if we're recording vocals in your session, if you use Logic or Ableton, you just need to make sure you put Muse plugin on the master channel, and that'll connect with MuseSessions and make sure that the audio is being shared. And that's basically all you have to do inside your DAW. So when we get to recording vocals on your laptop, what you'll have to do is just share your screen, hit screen, whichever screen you're using. You can choose to share computer audio, which will just do your desktop audio. If you have the Muse plugin already in your DAW, then the audio will share, but this is just extra if you want to play a song for us. So then hit share, and then you should be sharing your screen now. Hello. And then what will happen is we will request desktop access, and there will be a little button that pops up, and you just got to click accept, and then we'll be able to engineer your vocals from there. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of how to set up MuseSessions. If you have any questions, just shoot us a message and we can try and help you out, or we can always just figure it out at the start of the session if you need help.